Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Abonwada Biafra. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you about things that you can see in your environment. Things that are outside your home when you step out from your home. That is what I call environment vocabulary. Things that you can touch, you can see, and things that you cannot touch but you can feel within your environment. Okay, let's proceed. But before I proceed, I want to drop this information to my subscribers, because this video, this channel is a new channel. So I want to let everybody know that in my subsequent videos, I will be going into reviews. That's after dropping all these vocabularies. So I will be going into reviews of all my uploads. So I'm just holding on to have enough subscribers before I dive into that. Okay, so in a review session, I'm gonna be treating all these one by one with pictures and so on, with all the information that you need to know about them. Okay, so keep on watching, keep on tuning in, and make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video, so at least you can know when I start the review of all my uploads. Very important advert. Okay, let's dive into today's video stuff. Okay, so in today's video, I have about 68 in my list of environment vocabulary. Things that you can touch, things that you cannot touch, you can see, the things that you can feel within your environment. So that's what I mean by this environment vocabulary here. Okay, so let's go on, and I'm gonna be mentioning them in English and in Igbo language. Okay, so people that are learning English, that are not very good in English, also, you are welcome to this channel. Okay, so stone, okute. Stone, okute, you can say nkume, or you can say okute, or you say nkume. Mountain, ugu in Igbo language, ugu. Sand, aja. We have different type of sand and aja in Igbo language. So I will show you that in a review. Okay, grasses, ahihia. Shop, ulo ahia. That's the ulo ahia. Market, ahia. Ulo ahia, like supermarket is ulo ahia. You see inside the building. That's ulo, is a building. Ulo is house, ulo, building. Okay, ulo ahia. Shop is ulo ahia. Supermarket is ulo ahia. You see inside the house. Market in the house, that's what ulo ahia means. Market in the house. Market is ahia. Market is open place. I will show you all this in the review. Flower, ifuru. Flower, ifuru. People, ndị mmadụ. Bush, ọhịa. Main road, okporo ụzọ. Swimming pool. Ebe igwu mmiri, ebe is place of swimming. Ebe igwu mmiri, place of swimming. Ebe igwu mmiri, that is swimming pool. Bridge, aqua. We have different types of aqua. Pedestrian bridge, we have road bridge, We have the one on the sea. I will show that in the review. Okay. Aqua, bridge, train station, Odo Ubo Oloko, Odo is a station or park. Odo. Okay, a station or a park or yeah, like a park or a station. Okay, Odo Ubo Oloko. Motorcycle, Ọgba tum tum. Dustbin, Igbo ahịhịa. Motor park, you see, motor park, Ọdụ ụgbọala. Okay, this is park, Ọdụ, that station. Okay, motor station or motor park, Ọdụ. Motor park, Ọdụ ụgbọala. You can use this Ọdụ for other things like maybe the market for oranges. The market for oranges is Ọdụ Ọgbọ oroma, like that. Ọdụ Ọgbọ oroma. Okay, so Ọdụ Ọgbọ oroma, that's a market for orange. Maybe only orange they sell in that market. Ọdụ Ọgbọ oroma. Okay, so Ọdụ means a park or a station. Ọdụ ụgbọala, that's car or motor or trailer, a tipper, all of them are ụgbọala. Okay, train is ụgbọ oloko. Ụgbọ oloko, Ọdụ ụgbọ oloko, train station, ụgbọ oloko. Property, ihe onwunwe, or you say ngwongwo. It depends on what you want to say. I have a lot of properties in my house. Enwere m ngwongwo buru ibu n'ụlọ m. He showed me one of his properties in Lagos. O gosiri m otu n'ihe onwunwe ya na Lagos. He showed me one of his properties in Lagos. So it depends. Okay. Wilderness, Ozara. Ozara is a thick bush. A thicker is thicker than the bush. It's a thick bush. Okay. I will show you the differences later. Sky, Igwe, that's the elu Igwe. Sky, Igwe. Valley, Ndagwurugwu. Okay, Gwi, GW is Gwi in Igbo language. Ndagwurugwu. Places, Ebe na Ebe. Place, like I told you before, place is Ebe. Places is Ebe na Ebe, that plural, Ebe na Ebe. Singular place is Ebe. Okay. Ground, soil. Soil is where you're standing on the ground. You stand on the ground. Allah. I'm standing on the ground. Akwụ m n'elu ala. I'm standing on the ground. Akwụ m n'elu ala. Animal. Anụmanụ. Evening, mgbede. You see, evening, you cannot touch evening, but you can feel mgbede. You can feel the weather. When it's in evening, you will know that it's already evening. You can feel the weather. So that is what I mean by you can feel some of your environment stuff. Okay, so flag is ọkọlọtọ. Okay, American flag, ọkọlọtọ America. Biafran flag, ọkọlọtọ Biafra, like that. Earthquake, ala ọma jijiji. Earthquake, ala ọma jijiji. Okay, daylight, Ihe. Okay, when day breaks, you see light, that there is light outside everywhere. Okay, that's the brightness of the day is what we call Ihe. Ihe in Igbo language. In English is called daylight. Okay, a street road. Street road. Ụzọ ama. Ụzọ ama. The roads on your street, okay, all those small roads within the street is called ụzọ ama. That is what I call road streets here. Okay, potholes. Potholes. Oghere okporo ụzọ. Okporo ụzọ is a road. Oghere is hole. So oghere okporo ụzọ. That is oghere okporo ụzọ is a pothole in English language. Okay, so let's proceed. We have river. River, iyi. Iyi. We have iyi. I will tell you the mystery behind all this iyi. Okay, in Igbo land. Okay, so rain. Mmiri ozuzo. Mmiri ozuzo is different from river. Okay, it's different from iyi. Okay, rain is mmiri ozuzo. Motor or car. Motor, or you say car. All of them, the motor, like I told you before, trailer, tipper, all they belong to this group. Okay, your Peugeot, your Camry, all belong to this group. Ụgbọ ala, they move on the ground. Remember, ala is ground, so they move on the ground. Ụgbọ ala. So motor is ụgbọ, or car is ụgbọ. So ala is the adjective that is describing this ụgbọ. The type of ụgbọ is ụgbọ ala, the one that moves on the ground. Okay, bicycle, igwe. Plane. Ụgbọ elu, the one that moves on the plane that moves on the sky. Elu is up, ala is down. Okay, motor car is ụgbọ ala, the one that moves on the ground. Plane is the one that moves up on the sky. Ụgbọ elu. Tree. Ukwu osisi, tree, ukwu osisi. Ship, ụgbọ mmiri, ụgbọ that move in the water. Ship is ụgbọ that move in the water. Water is mmiri, okay? Ụgbọ elu, ụgbọ ala, ụgbọ mmiri, that's ship. Ship, house is ụlọ. House is ụlọ, or building is ụlọ. Building also is ụlọ. House is ụlọ. Farmland, ugbo, or you say ubi, or you say ugbo, or ubi. Airport, ọdụ ụgbọ elu. Ọdụ, the park for this the plane, ụgbọ elu. The park for the plane is airport. Ọdụ ụgbọ elu. Drainage, ịgbapụ. Okay, drainage, ịgbapụ. So it could be water drainage. Water drainage is ịgbapụ mmiri. Oil drainage, ịgbapụ mmanụ. Okay, so it depends on what you're using it for. You put it at the back here. Water drainage, ịgbapụ mmiri. Signboard, board akara. Okay, sign in Igbo language is akara. Okay, remember in one of my video I told you that in English, the translation from English to Igbo, we go from the back. Okay, this is a good example. Sign is a akara in Igbo language. So board, so in a normal translation you can say akara board, but when you say akara board, it doesn't make sense. Okay, so the correct thing is board akara. You go from the back, board akara, board akara. Okay, I hope I'm making sense. That's how to translate in Igbo language. You translate from the back. I taught you in when I'm doing the Ọnụọgụgụ Igbo. You check out that video and see what I'm trying to say there. Fraud, ideyi, or ide mmiri, or you say ideyi, or you say ide mmiri, or ideyi. That's fraud. Desert. Ala kpọrọ nkụ. I will show you the difference between desert, bush, wilderness, okay, during the reviews. Okay, erosion. Mbuze is different from fraud. This is a smaller stuff. Fraud is a smaller thing. Erosion is a bigger one. Okay, but they are different things. Fraud is a different thing. Erosion is a different thing. Okay, so it's not easy to control erosion, but you can control fraud. Okay, so pit, olulu. You can say onunu. Onunu is more central. Onunu or olulu. Onunu. Okay, so tank, akpati. So I told you in one of my video, akpati, that the cupboard is akpati nri. Akpati is tank. Okay, it can be water tank. Water tank is akpati mmiri. Oil tank is akpati mmanụ. Okay, cupboard is akpati also, but it's akpati nri. That's a cupboard food, cupboard for food. Akpati nri. Okay, or food cupboard. Akpati nri. Okay, food clothes box. Your clothes, the clothes box, your akpati for the clothes box is called akpati aqua. Aqua is clothes. Akpati aqua. Akpati nri. Food cupboard. Akpati nri. Water tank. Akpati mmiri. Oil tank. Akpati mmanụ. So all these square things, boxes, they are called akpati. Sun, anwụ. You can feel anwụ, sun during the day. Moon, ọnwa. You can see ọnwa on the sky, in the sky. Star, kpakpando. You can see star in the sky. Darkness, ọchịchịrị. Night, abalị, or you say uchichi, or you say abali, or you say uchichi. So it depends on where you are using it. Okay, so darkness is different from night. Darkness is just it can be in the afternoon. It can be your room is dark. Your room might be dark. Okay, you use that as ọchịchịrị. Okay, but night is in the night only. Abali, uchichi. Okay, night time. Morning, ụtụtụ. Good morning, ụtụtụ ọma. Good morning, ụtụtụ ọma. You remember, you go from the back. Good morning, ụtụtụ ọma. Good afternoon. Afternoon is ehihie. Good afternoon. Ehihie ọma. Oghere, I told you before, oghere is hole. Oghere. Fence of your house. ngere. Fence outside your house, ngere, ngere. C, oke osimiri. Oke osimiri, that is where the ship, the boat all move. Ụgbọ mmiri move on the sea, on oke osimiri. Okay. University, mahadum. University is a place, I told you, places, ebe na ebe, that's places. It's one of the places. I just want to give you some examples of places here. University, mahadum. School, ụlọ akwụkwọ, ụlọ akwụkwọ. Hospital, ụlọ ọgwụ, that's a house of medicine. Ọgwụ is medicine. Ụlọ ọgwụ, hospital. So all these places, they are places, like I told you. Okay, they are places. I have a video on the of places. Okay, I will show you. I will upload the video later. Okay, on places. Okay, ụlọ ụka. Ụlọ ụka is a place also. Okay, weather is ihu ụbọchị. Ihu ụbọchị, ihu ụbọchị. Okay, the face, translate in English, the face of the day. The face of the day is ihu ụbọchị in English language. That's weather. Okay, so I still have some of them here, down here. Okay, field, playground, stadium. Field where they play, children play, playground. Stadium we call ama egwuregwu. Ama egwuregwu. Ama egwuregwu. Okay. Boat, ship, canoe. Boat, ship, canoe. I will tell you the differences during the review. They are ụgbọ mmiri. They move on the sea. They move on the oke osimiri. Okay, remember oke osimiri. They move on the sea. Oke osimiri. Ụgbọ mmiri. Ụgbọ mmiri. Okay, I will show you the differences. Backyard road or door. The door or the road behind your house. Okay, at the back of your house or the door is called ụzọ azụ ụlọ. Ụzọ azụ ụlọ, or you say ụzọ owere. You can say ụzọ owere. Okay. A street light. Street light. Ọkụ okporo ụzọ. Okporo ụzọ is road. Ọkụ is light. Ọkụ okporo ụzọ. Ọkụ okporo ụzọ. Street light. You go from the back. Ọkụ okporo ụzọ. Okay. Appian way. Appian way is short, or you say shortcut. Appian way is shortcut also. Okay. Ụzọ ngwa ngwa. Ngwa ngwa is a fast. In Igbo, if I should translate, ngwa ngwa, fast. Ụzọ, that's road of fast. Okay. Ụzọ ngwa ngwa. That's Appian way or shortcut. Compound gate. The compound gate, the gate outside your compound, or the door outside your compound, on your compound outside your house, inside outside the house, is called ụzọ ama. Ụzọ ama. Ụzọ ama. That's the door or gate within your compound that is outside your house. Okay, within your compound gate, door, okay, outside is called ụzọ ama. Usually the ụzọ ama is in front of your house. Okay, in the fence there in front. Okay, we call it ụzọ ama. Ụzọ ama. Okay, if you like this video, you thumbs up, and then make sure you subscribe so that you follow up with our review later and stuff like that. Okay, so you like this video, thumbs up, and introduce this video to your friends and share. Okay, so we have a lot for you, so God bless you. Okay, take care and see you in the next video. If you have any comment, please drop at the comment section. Okay, so God will bless you as you do that. Bye.